Back here on the picket wire trail, and we're in search of tarantulas, but today we haven't found many tarantulas, but we've found these little guys. Yes, the dangerous, deadly stink bugs. The dangerous, deadly stink bugs. And we haven't had much luck catching them, but we hope that we find more of these, because these are much more interesting than the tarantulas that we thought we'd see, as they emit this odor. Does that smell? Yeah. They're much more dangerous than the tarantulas. And we'll see you next time on the Backpackers channel.